Hi guys.
What are we making?
A volcano. It's me and Ocean.
Hi, Oshi. Hi. Ocean. Okay, you can be shy. Look what Dante's gonna do, Osh. Look what he's doing, look. Ocean, look over there. What's he doing? Put a whole bunch in.
I know.
Right? Yeah, what's he gonna do? Okay, watch. You ready?
Sorry guys.
We're gonna put in a whole bunch. Yeah, good angle. Ooh, what's he doing, Osh? Okay, that's okay. Now, can you put some food coloring in? We're gonna see if it'll change the color. Yeah? Look, Osh, watch. Look what's he got now.
Look, yellow food dye.
Here we go. Put it in. Ooh.
Put that in.
Yeah, put in a whole bunch.
Oh, okay.
Here, Osh. Put in a whole bunch. Okay, Oshi, watch. Here we go. Ocean, look. Oh, you dropped your Play-Doh. Okay, go ahead. Come back up. Okay, Dante, that's enough?
Already, it's in a while.
Look at that.
Where's the cat?
It's here. Oh, boy, this is going to be so cool, Oshi.
I kind of don't want the chair.
You can stand up. You can back up. I want to catch her expression when this happens. Okay, let's see. Watch, Oshi. Watch what Dante's going to do.
No, Ocean, no.
Don't worry about that. Okay, go ahead. Oshi, look. Make sure she's looking, okay?
Ocean, look. Look, Ocean. Look.
Whoa, Ocean, what's happening?
Yeah, look, it's a waterfall.
Whoa, that really exploded.
It's still going. Whoa, look at the water streaming.
Whoa, Ocean, what's happening?
Kind of looks like pee.
Ocean, what's going on?
Okay, now it's just white. Oh, hold on.
Oh, her toy? Look.
I'm going to try to get more yellow in there.
It's finished. You got scared? Well, that's a different... Ocean, look.
Hold on, more baking soda.
Look, it's all better.
Still yellow.
Almost done. I think it's done. That's it. Woo! Look at that explosion.
Maybe we should do more.
Oh, now you like it?
Maybe we can do more baking soda.
I think you have to dump it out to do another experiment. You gonna? Is it all on the outside? Slimy. Ooh.
No, sticky.
You want to do it one more time? Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Sticky, right?
Yeah. Here. Whoop.
Hold on.
There you go. Put in some more baking soda. You ready, Ocean? We're gonna do it again. That's good. That's a good amount. Are you ready? Dun dun dun. Now this should be like a cup to a cup, right? The real way you should do it. Here, Ocean, watch. Bam! Look at that roller coaster. Whee! Whee! Look, it's sizzling. Oh, she thinks it's gonna come over to her. Look up here, look. Oh, you don't like it on the table? Here. Here. Look, you ready? Ooh. Okay. A lot? Okay, last time, because this is a 4-minute video. Of course it is. Well, it still has some explosion to do. Oh, well. It happens, exactly. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Last one. You ready, Oshi? Here we go. Watch. You ready? Watch. Whoa! Whoa! Yay! You like that? Yay! Whoa!
More yellowy.
Yay! No touch. See, now you like it. You just didn't want it coming off the table. Okay. Oh, look at all that yellow. Whoa, look at all the yellow. Nice volcano, man.
Yeah, now it just really looks like
This was pretty cool. Well, thank you for showing us this video. Bye. Did you like it? Oh, yeah? Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.